Prepositions by Andrew Gandela, Ed Clancy IV, and Connor Scott.
Wait, for what?
What is a preposition? A preposition is a word that relates the noun or pronoun that appears with it to another word in the sentence. Prepositions are used to show relationships between two things. That's what the definition basically means. So it's connecting two nouns together in a sentence. There are also compound prepositions, which are prepositions that are made up of more than one preposition. So, like the ones in these examples, in view of, that's like an example of a compound preposition. And then here's a list of common prepositions and compound prepositions that will be used in grammar. Some of them are about, above, across, ahead, as of, for, from, on, up. This is basically just a general list of what's going to be a preposition.
A prepositional phrase is a group of words that contain a preposition and a noun or pronoun known as the object of the preposition. Some sentences may have more than one object of the preposition. So basically it consists of other prepositions itself, other words such as articles and adjectives, and finally the object of the preposition. The directions are: the preposition is underlined, and circle the object of the preposition and draw an arrow to what it modifies. Who is the famous actress in the movie? Movie modifies actress, and in is your preposition to the prepositional phrase. The object of the preposition is movie because it is a noun. Number 1. Sean checked under the couch and chair. Couch and chair modify checked. They are the object of the prepositional phrase. Number 2. We notice the sea animal with a long tusk. Tusk modifies animal, and tusk is the object of the prepositional phrase, which is with a long tusk.
It may be difficult to tell the difference between adverbs and prepositions. Adverb, a word that modifies a verb. Around, down, in, off, on, out, over, up, are, can all be used as both adverbs or prepositions. And remember, a preposition must appear with an object of the preposition in order for it to be a preposition. Joe Louis sidled around the rain. This is a preposition because around is modifying the word rain. The boxer slowly looked around. Around is modifying the verb looked. The flower pot fell off the still. Still is the object of the preposition, which is off. The paper airplane sailed around and then crashed. Around is modifying sailed, therefore it is an adverb. The chimney smoke drifted lazily up the chimney. Chimney is the object of the preposition up. At noon, the doctor went out. Out is modifying went.
Exercises for prepositions. For this exercise, you will be identifying the preposition in the sentence. Number 1. Tom walked inside the boat. If you said inside, that is correct. That is the preposition of the sentence.
Max ate an apple during lunch. If you said during, that is the correct preposition.
Bill placed the pencil between the cabinets. If you said between, then you are correct.
Number 4. Before the concert, we went to the mall. If you said before, that is the correct preposition. exercises for prepositions. In this exercise, you will be identifying the prepositional phrase in each sentence. Number 1, I threw the ball over the hill. If you said over the hill, that is the correct prepositional phrase.
Throughout the play, I kept hearing a coughing sound. If you underline throughout the play, you are correct because that is the prepositional phrase.
I sat next to my favorite cousin Ed. If you chose next to my favorite cousin Ed, then you are correct for the prepositional phrase.
Number 4, the bird flew on top of the house. If you said on top of the house, you are correct. Prepositions versus adverbs. For this exercise, you'll identify the underlined word and explain if it is a preposition or an adverb. Number 1, I saw the movie over and over. If you said that over was an adverb, you are correct. Number 2, the painter climbed up the ladder. If you said that up was a preposition, you are correct. Number 3, because of the rain, the practice was held inside today. If you said that inside was an adverb, you are correct. Number 4, the speed skater raced around the turn. If you said around was a preposition, you are correct.